National Weather Service for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Eastern Chester, Eastern Montgomery, Western Chester, and Western Montgomery. Elevated risk of wildfire spread this afternoon and early this evening. A combination of low relative humidity, gusty westerly winds, and dry fine fuels will lead to an elevated risk for fire spread, with any potential fire starts this afternoon across New Jersey, southeast Pennsylvania, Delaware, and the eastern shores of Maryland. Minimum relative humidity values this afternoon will range from 20 to 25% across the region. Winds will be sustained from 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts around 20 to 25 miles per hour, highest around mid to late afternoon. Fine fuel moisture may be somewhat of a limiting factor, mainly across southern New Jersey, due to rainfall last Friday. Residents are urged to exercise caution if handling any potential ignition source, including machinery, cigarettes, and matches. Be sure to properly discard all smoking materials. Any dry grasses, dead leaves, and other tree litter that ignite will have the potential to spread fire quickly. For more information about wildfire danger, burn restrictions, and wildfire prevention and reduction, please visit your state's forestry or environmental protection website. The current time is 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The following counties in Pennsylvania: Lancaster and Lebanon. Elevated risk of wildfire spread this afternoon. A combination of dry and windy conditions this afternoon will create an elevated risk of wildfire spread across all of central Pennsylvania. Minimum relative humidity values will range from 15 to 25%, accompanied by wind gusts between 20 and 30 miles per hour. Residents are urged to exercise caution if handling any potential ignition sources, such as machinery, cigarettes, or matches. If dry grasses and tree litter begin to burn, the fire will have the potential to spread rapidly. For more information about wildfire danger and wildfire prevention and education, please visit the Pennsylvania Department of Conservation and Natural Resources website at http://dcnr.pennsylvania.gov/community/wildfire. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the following county: Cecil, Maryland. Elevated threat for the spread of wildfires through the early evening. Westerly winds will gust 20 to 25 miles per hour at times, especially during the mid to late afternoon. Relative humidity values will fall between 15 and 25%. Given recent dry weather, fuels are very dry. Therefore, an elevated fire danger will continue until about 8 p.m. before the winds gradually weaken and humidity rises. Outdoor burning is strongly discouraged during this time. Please refer to your local burn permitting authority on whether you can burn. If you do burn, use extreme caution and ensure fire suppression is readily available. At 11 a.m.